Doritos, yellow number 5. It turns skin invisible. They've been wiping this shit on lab rats and making the skin translucent.
I
bro.
read that.
I don't know. I didn't have my fair share of yellow dye number 5. All those ramen
Right. I'm
packs
pissed.
that I've eaten, and yeah, and
All
those
we had to do
Doritos.
was all we had to do was rub alcohol on us, and we could have been invisible. We could have robbed banks and everything.
Not that simple, but yeah.
Yeah. You know? That's what I got. You see the picture of the Invisible Man? That's what I was thinking when I read the article. Like, what?
It's just they said they rubbed it, the liquid from the yellow dye number. What it's called what was that?
Tartrazine, something like that.
Yeah, E20, I think, something
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, and they I guess they shaved the belly of a little mice, and they put that solution or that chemical with some rubbing alcohol, and I guess they were able to see, like, when I was reading, I'm like, what? Invisible Man? But I guess you can see the veins and stuff. Like,
Yeah,
it'll make you like
yeah.
see
Just make it translucent so you can
translucent.
see.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the
Oh,
veins and the organs and all kind of shit going on. I was like, that is creepy as hell, considering that we eat that.
yeah. What the fuck are they putting in our food?
Yeah, and that's why I really wanted to talk about this, because they talk, half the stuff we are allowed to have on the shelves in the grocery store, or whatever, is banned
Yeah, banned
in
in other
most
countries.
countries.
Mm-hmm.
Like Mountain Dew, they was like, what is that? The fuck are y'all doing? No, y'all can't have that shit here. And then they showed pineapple Fanta made over in a different country next to ours. Completely 2 different fucking colors.
Yeah.
I was just like, holy shit, look at that. We are, yeah, we definitely be on one when it comes to damn that FDA. It's a sad situation when it comes to what we're allowed to ingest. So I remember the first time I went on vacation and my stomach turned on me because I was eating natural shit. And it was like, oh my God, what the fuck is going on with my stomach, man? And the crazy part is the only thing I wanted was a fucking bag of Doritos. Like a fucking junkie. I was like, can you go downstairs and get me a bag? Motherfucking Cool Ranch, please. I think that's the only thing I can process.
He's over there like
Did you have did you eat the Doritos there?
Yeah, and they taste completely different.
Yeah. How about that?
Completely fucking different. Yes, I did. And I was like, man, these don't taste right. I need some more of that yellow dot number 5. Please, man, go get me some. Ship me some shit from the States, please. But yeah, fuck me up. And then realized, my body was so used to eating all that foul shit. When I actually got the real shit, it was like, nah. We don't need that, man. Go and get the yellow dye number 5. That's what you really want.
Yeah. What in the world are they putting in our food? Like, how do you come across that recipe? Like, you know what this needs?
It is because of shelf life.
You ain't want to use food coloring? Like, why go there?
I know corn is yellow to begin with. I mean, why do you need to add extra color to it?
Yep.
Well, it's probably because it's the shelf life, and shit sit out too long. Corn ain't gonna be yellow no more.
Mm-hmm. Like they said, normal eggs you shouldn't have to refrigerate.
Mm-hmm.
Like somebody did an experiment with eggs. They took eggs they got from Trader Joe's and put them under an incubator, and guess what happened?
No.
They got fucking chicks.
No.
Yeah, they said they're not. What you call it? They're not. They didn't go through that. Yeah.
That is crazy.
Look it up, man. If I'm bullshitting, somebody.
No, I mean,
yeah,
that's crazy. My mind is just like.
Yeah, I always thought they used unfertilized eggs because a chicken will ovulate like a woman, whether it's pregnant or not,
Yep. That's what they said. Like in most countries, that, and also the meat game. I remember some dude I worked with. He was he was a rancher as well. He was like, man, when you butcher something, it doesn't look like what you see in the grocery store. It's like meat doesn't look like that. was like,
Yeah, they
yeah,
use like a
that's
red
spooky.
tint to have it look extra red.
Mhm.
Like, yeah, my uncle taught me that. He said
Yeah.
he's an
Yeah.
electrician, and they'd go in there and fix the lights where the meat and stuff was, and it would have to be like a red tint on like different, like if it's
Yeah.
beef or something like that to make it look more, I guess.
Fresh.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
Yeah, because they'll look at it and they'll see what meat actually looks like. I'm like, oh, that looks like it's going bad. Like, no, that's
Mhm.
a fresh fucking kill. You know.
You know what else is weird? Is like a lot of countries, milk is on the shelf. It's not
Yep. And
refrigerated.
refrigerated. Yeah.
Are you
In
serious?
a bag. Yeah, they put them
Yeah.
in a bag.
But we don't supposed to be eating. We don't supposed to be drinking milk anyway. We the only
After nursing.
beings
After nursing, that's
that's
still
after
drink
we
milk.
suck on the tit.
Mhm.
We're supposed
Mhm.
to be done.
And you know, what other animal drinks the milk of another animal? You know,
Yeah.
Because I ain't
Yeah.
breastfeeding no animal. I'm gonna tell you that now.
And it's crazy because then you go to the question, what can we eat? What's healthy for it? The damn sure ain't the vegetables.
no.
It's nothing. That's why I'm just like, it's nothing. Like that's why I'm constantly on fast because I'm scared of what I'm putting it in my body. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, well, hopefully I go 3
Yeah.
days with water that can just flush out whatever that was. You know what I mean? Like that's crazy.
Even that, I mean, the
That
microplastics
part
and
too.
stuff.
The
Yeah,
water. Yeah.
they're finding microplastics in sperm now. Like it's everywhere. It's to the point where like you cannot get this shit out of your body no matter what you do.
What you
Wait,
do.
There's
hold
so
on.
much of it
So I could give
everywhere.
birth to a toy. I'm sorry.
The way this woman
You
mind works, oh my god.
injection molding vaginas.
Damn, that's
I can see her now. Give me my baby. Give me my baby. And some
Yeah.
batteries. Give me my baby.
But they're blaming microplastics on everything, even like you know, trans people and homosexuals. They're saying it's you know, since it's a hormone disruptor, like it's changing the way people are, you know.
Oh. Why not?
It's crazy.
Why not?
Yeah.
But again, it's just scary because now we got all these hybrid fruits and all kind of goofy shit. What can we fucking eat? That's why I want to go with old man and I want to get back to my roots. I want to start planting shit and doing my own thing, man.
That part.
That's what I want to do.
part.
Like when you sent me that, when you were the first time you were out there and you sent me a picture of your fucking garden.
Oh
My God, that shit was impressive. He was like, dude, I'm eating clean. I'm good. I feel good. You know, if they could just stop with all the bombs, we'd be cool, you know. But
I know
yeah,
it tastes so good and fresh. It is nothing like garden fruit.
he had the whole fucking shebang. I was just like, how are you fucking doing that? And he had the bins. You know, he did it out of bins. It wasn't like he was just planting shit in the ground or whatever. He actually had it like you can move it if you needed to, you know, move it around. But yeah, man, the shit was very impressive. I was like, maybe I should do that, but I'm afraid my fucking neighbors will probably steal all my shit. So yeah,
And in Ohio, we got a problem with those groundhogs.
yeah.
Now you can't plant nothing. It's like they there to mess up everything. Like my mom quit. She just quit trying. She's
Yeah,
well, this was
everything.
yeah. I did all this stuff hydroponically, so like it wasn't even grown in soil.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
But
so it
still,
was sitting on like shelves, you know, those industrial metal shelvings. You know, I found some of those in the office. Just like sat that shit outside and set up some. I got some of those fabric Walmart bags and filled them up with perlite and a couple other like I think they call them like clay balls or something, and just ran some fertilized water through it, you know, on a cycle, and it was pretty cool.
it's
gonna
pretty
have
cool.
you can't shoot her some pictures of that shit, man. If you still got them, I was like, man, that shit was dope.
We're gonna have to learn to do that.
Oh,
You know?
no doubt.
That's
No
one
doubt.
thing I really want to do, like start saving stuff. And then there's like people who showing you, like you take a banana or you take like a piece, put it in the dirt,
Yeah.
You can start growing your own stuff. Like, we better start doing it because it ain't nothing safe. Like y'all said, there is nothing safe.
Yeah, nothing. Not the air, not the water, not the food, not the meat, not the snacks. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back to the old school days where they, tell your ass to go back in the backyard and pick, the side dish.
Yeah. And them
That's where
plastics
it's coming.
down in the sperm, man. That's like cancer, right? Plastics
Oh
cause
yeah,
Everything. Everything.
yeah. They're blaming microplastics on everything, and even the seeds. The seeds now are genetically modified.
Thank you,
So like
Santos.
companies like Monsanto's and
Santos.
Pioneer. You remember Pioneer? Yeah,
Mhm.
they even got their own line of seeds where it's a specific genetic type, and if they find you like continuously like growing crops from the seeds from the year before, they can fine you because you're only licensed to grow them once, and then you got to
Use
buy the
only
seeds again.
you got to re-up. You got to re-up.
Yeah,
That's for the masses. That's why you have to. I remember you asked me, "Hey man, anybody got any seeds for something else?" But yeah, I was like, "No, bro, nah." But for the vegetables, I probably have to go to a farmer's market and pick somebody's and try to get at somebody and be like, "Hey man, you wouldn't happen to have any seeds?" Because a lot of those folks or whatever, they got stuff that's been passed down from generation to generation. And it was like, yeah, we still harvesting off, our great, what you call this, last crop, just continuing on. But yeah, we're gonna have to get back to doing our own thing.
Yeah.
all right, here I got
Definitely.
the video here. Let me share this with you.
Give me.
Give birth to a toy.
Yes.
All right,
Look at that.
Oh wow.
In the desert. In the desert.
well, this one was in North Carolina.
Okay.
I'm gonna say that grass is green to be in the desert. They must keep their lawn
Yeah.
watered.
Or out here, they spray the shit green.
Oh wow. Oh, so that's where the water coming from.
Yeah,
Oh
Now,
yeah.
what all was you growing?
there
You
were
built that
peppers,
house.
tomatoes, cucumbers. Yeah,
Okay.
and I was able to grow like hundreds of plants in it's such a small space. It was
Space.
insane.
Yeah, I'm afraid them motherfuckers would be like, "Hey man, you ain't allowed to do that on your patio. What are you doing?"
I would definitely try to keep it like under wraps because they will make up a rule.
Oh yeah,
Not allowed
that's
to
the
make
timer. Yeah, that's the
you
timer.
go to the grocery store. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, that shit
That's
is
dope.
lovely.
Yeah, it was pretty much all trash.
So
Yeah. Well, if the end of time come, I'm flying to you.
we know when next time he touch back down on this side, we getting that hydro going. Definitely something. I'll put that shit in the closet.
It might
Grow
come a
some
time where
goddamn
we go
vegetables.
back to having to wear leaves as clothes and
Yeah, head out west. The weather's better.
yeah, there you
rock
go.
that leaf.
Yeah. I'm dancing around fires and everything.
Oh shit.
Dang, that's amazing, man. Like, okay.
Yeah, he got down real
I don't
quick.
even
He got
know.
down.
I wouldn't even know the first thing to do. Like,
You know what gave me the idea was I was working out in the desert in California, and they have like canal systems uh, spanning hundreds of miles.
Yep.
And California is running into a problem where they're growing so much alfalfa and hay for the rest of the world that they're actually bleeding their water tables dry. So it's like, how could you grow a ton of plants with reusing the same water and trying to keep it like a closed system? So I came up with that, and I think I only used I think it was a 20-gallon container or something like that, and
Dope.
used about 20 gallons of water a week.
Dope.
yeah.
Very,
Then
very,
you could,
very.
like, you wanted to, if it rained, catch some of that rainwater.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, crazy.
Well, I know who to call when I need to survive. I'm like, hey, teach me.
Yeah,
All
I
right, we
got
get
you.
that yellow dye number 5 out of here.
That
Them
shit
ain't,
is
is those
disturbing.
Doritos?
Very.
Those don't look like that ain't no Doritos right there. I know
That
Doritos.
was an internet photo. Yeah, they ain't the reals.
Those is Loritos.
Loritos.